Hi, this is As you watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we will learn how to break our paragraph or any our heading. So for breaking it into halves, this will be look like a horizontal line. So you have to just use HR whenever you want a line or breaking any paragraphs. So here we are breaking first paragraph and here we are breaking our second paragraph. You have to just use HR, okay? Here we are starting our HTML tag and next we are starting our body. So in the body, this is the real thing that will display on your web page. So first of all we have, for example, h1. So first break, and we are closing our heading tag. Next we are starting our paragraph tag, and next we are ending our paragraph tag. So this is our heading, this is our paragraph, and next we want a break. So HR will display there like a line, a horizontal line, which will display a break there. So next also second break and separate content, our paragraph, and next we want a break, and so on. This is happening, but here is not this is happening because we are not using HR in here. So we are not using in the third time HR, so there will not be any lines. So next we are closing our body, and next we are closing our HTML tag or document. So let's save it and see what happens after using HR. Copy it and now save it in the notepad. Sorry, first of all, now save it, maybe it is saved here. So here you can see the breaks happening. This is the first break happening here like a line, and this is second break happening here like a line, and this is third. We are not now. So we have two separate content, and the third time we are not using breaks. So this is how you can use these breaks. So this was our how to use breaks. Gonna see you next video. Goodbye for the